Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how frozen meat products are made, step by step. Make sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos like this.
Watch the stack on the left.
Bring the next one down.
Clear the path.
Every cut is measured to maintain exact portion weight. Marination locks in flavor and tenderness.
Salt levels are rising faster than expected.
Rerouting the flow now. Pressure stabilizing.
These machines shape thousands of pieces per minute with precise consistency.
Every product is checked before shipment.
And that's how frozen meat products are made. Hey Trade, from start to finish.